Hi everyone, this is Pepri. In this video, we are going to connect Sentinel rows to Excel and then I'll show you how to ask Copilot to analyze those rows right from the connected Excel file. I've talked about how M-Query works in Power BI in a previous video, but with Power BI editing columns or tweaking things can be a little harder than in Excel. Since Excel also supports M-Query, I'll show you how to bring Sentinel or Log Analytics logs straight into Excel this time. First, let's head over to the Sentinel or Log Analytics page. Once you're here, go ahead and choose the tables you want to connect, then set your time range. For this video, I've been working with the device event table. Then go to Share and click on Export to Power BI as an M-Query. When you take a look at the M-Query file you downloaded, you will notice it includes the table name and the selected time range. Keep in mind that the Log Analytics API does have a request limit, so make sure to tune those values appropriately when using it. Alright, let's jump into Excel. Next, click through the menus in the following order. Click on Advanced Editor. Now just copy and paste the M-Query you downloaded right into here. Next, go through the credential signing process. You can choose whichever authentication method is most convenient for you. What you're seeing here is just a preview. From this screen, you can filter and clean up the data, so that only the logs you actually need are prepared for use. Once you are done filtering, go ahead and click Close and Load. Now, the process of downloading the logs will begin. Now you can tweak the columns and clean things up to improve readability. If you need the latest logs, just click the refresh button at the top. Personally, I think writing queries usually require you to already know what you are looking for. When it comes to finding clues or initial hints, I find filtering the data in Excel a lot easier. Now, to make use of Copilot, go ahead and save this log file to OneDrive or SharePoint. As of the time I recorded this video, Copilot supports GPT 5.2. Now, let's ask Copilot to analyze this table. Looking at the results, you will notice Copilot gives you quite a lot of useful insight. You can continue to drill down for deeper analysis or even apply this approach to create automated reporting workflows. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you.